everybody, it's me, Marion, Miss Foot Fixer. Hope you guys are well. We have this wonderful patient here that has a bit of discoloration, a line down, all the way down to the nail matrix. Now, she has a history of fungal infection, which all cleared up, because if you look at all her other toes, they're beautiful. But this one hasn't budged, and I really don't like this lying in the middle of this discoloration. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the nail and send it off to biopsy. So what we're going to do is just push the cuticle area down. So you can see the discoloration all the way down in the nail roots. And sometimes you can get kind of like cancer of the nail. You know, hopefully this isn't, okay? And we want to try to remove it in one kind of go. It is quite deep. I'm going to use the elevator. I'm going to see if I can pop it out in one go.
Oh, wow.
Amazing. Ooh. Very interesting. So there is a large kind of deformity in the nail root. We've never seen something like this, have we, Stephanie, like this? Yeah.
Wow.
So I think it was a good thing that we removed it. It could be just the dystrophy of the nail that's add pressure. So if we look at the nail bed, we can see a dip. So we sit into there, and that could be the bent of the nail that's caused the line, but it's all nicely removed, okay? But it's a part of the nail, it's not part of the skin.
Yeah, that's some. I could feel that. I could feel that thickness and that pressure.
Yeah. So what we're going to do now is just clean down the nail bed. Remove all of that. We'll have a look at the nail. It's nice and clean.
That's good.
That's good. Not much I need to do with the nail bed, to be honest. It's really good. I think you will feel the relief of that nail being gone, which is fantastic. So that pigmentation is not there in the root. That's hopefully with that indentation down the nail bed can pop back up. There's not much I need to do on the nail bed, to be honest. I'm not going to scrape it too much, just a little bit just to clean it a little bit, but not too much, to be honest. Okay. Amazing, so I'm going to dress it now. Happy with that. Very happy with that. Very, very happy with that. So we're just going to dress all of our standard dressing.
I can't believe how quickly that came off. That's been like that for about 8 years.
And if somebody probably did it a bit earlier, then maybe the damage wouldn't be so extensive on the nail bed because it is quite dipped in. But it needed to be removed. There was no way that this was going to get better. And soon after, that's part, there was no way that it was going to get better without removing it.
So me putting Losaril on for ages was never going to get rid of it.
No. There's so much deformity. That lump needs to go.
I could feel that lump all the time.
Yeah. The question is what is in that lump? But the tissue, the nail bed tissue is great.
Yeah. It looked quite clean, didn't it?
Yeah, clean and healthy.